Almost everyone plants tomatoes the wrong way, and it could be costing them dozens of tomatoes every single season. The surprising part is that the biggest mistake happens before the plant even begins to grow. With one simple planting trick that takes only a few extra minutes, you can grow a stronger tomato plant with a massive underground root system capable of producing a much larger harvest. Take a close look at the fuzzy green stem of a young tomato seedling. Those tiny hairs covering the stem aren't just there for appearance. Every one of those fuzzy bumps has the potential to become a brand new root when it's buried beneath rich, moist garden soil. Instead of relying on the small root ball from the nursery pot, the tomato plant can grow hundreds of additional white roots along the buried stem, creating an underground network that is far larger and far more powerful. When it's time to transplant, gently remove the lower leaves until only the bright green top leaves remain. Then dig a deep planting hole or a shallow trench if your tomato seedling has grown especially tall. Place the plant into the dark, loose soil so only the top 4 to 6 inches remain above the surface. Cover the stem with soil, water it thoroughly, and watch what happens over the next several days. The leafy top naturally bends upward toward the warm summer sunshine, while the buried stem quietly transforms into an extensive root system hidden beneath the ground. That larger root system gives your tomato plant an incredible advantage. Thick green stems support lush foliage. Bright yellow blossoms develop into clusters of healthy green tomatoes that slowly ripen into deep, vibrant red fruit. During hot summer afternoons, those extra roots reach deeper into the soil for moisture and nutrients, helping the plant stay healthy when shallow-rooted tomatoes begin to struggle. A thick layer of natural mulch around the base keeps the soil cool, reduces evaporation, and prevents muddy rainwater from splashing disease onto the lower leaves. Deep watering encourages those expanding roots to grow even farther into the ground, building an even stronger foundation for weeks of continuous tomato production. This simple planting method works especially well for indeterminate tomatoes, but most determinate varieties benefit too. Whether you're growing sweet cherry tomatoes, colorful heirlooms, or large slicing tomatoes for summer sandwiches, giving the stem the chance to grow more roots often leads to healthier plants and noticeably heavier harvests. Sometimes the biggest gardening improvements don't come from expensive fertilizers or complicated techniques. They come from understanding how a plant naturally wants to grow. By planting the stem, instead of just the root ball, you're allowing the tomato to do what it was designed to do from the very beginning. The next time you bring home a healthy tomato seedling, don't just plant the roots. Plant the stem, grow the roots, and let nature reward you with a tomato plant covered in beautiful, ripe fruit all season long. If you enjoyed this gardening tip, subscribe to The Wormy Garden, where we make gardening simpler, more productive, and a whole lot more rewarding. Happy gardening!